hate the snow so much. I hate it. Like, I don't know why my mother will come from Jamaica to New Jersey. This is like the absolute worst. Ugh! Hey guys, Happy New Year's. We're now into the year 2018. I just wanted to get that out the way because I felt like if I didn't say hi to you guys, it'd be kind of rude. So yesterday, it was a blizzard storm, and if you know, if you've been watching my videos and keeping up with me, my mom is Jamaican, born and raised, came here something other years ago because she loved to tell me that. As I said, it blizzard, it snowed. I fucking hate snow. I fucking hate winter. So every time it snows, or it's cold out, every time it's winter season, I always go to my mom like, yo mom, out of all the places that you could have came to in America, you come to New Jersey. She always like, well, Rosetta, my mother was here. Let me tell you something. I don't care where grandma went to. I hate the cold, okay? She could have went to Florida. Like, I'm sure it's beautiful right now in Florida. If I'm lying, then so what? Florida don't have snow like we do. So every time I'm like, Ma, you could have went to Florida. She's like, Rosetta, you were born here. You should be used to the cold and the snow. Listen. Just because I was born here does not mean I'm used to it. And it doesn't mean I need to get used to it. Mom, I got that Jamaican blood running through my veins. I'm never going to get used to the snow. I hate it. I know I'm not the only one out there who can't stand the snow. I know there's people out there who wishes and pray for it to snow. Not me. If we can just get summer all year in New Jersey, I'd be set. Maybe I just need to move. Maybe I need to go to Florida. Because I can't do this anymore. It's annoying. But if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, hey, get it. Alright. Bye, snow. Make it stop. Until next time. Mwah.